Hi friends, today under the youth and the truth series of lectures, we are going to speak another important area. Today we are going to talk about the magic of motivation. Friends, as all of you know, we all want in our schools, in our colleges, in our workplace, always we want to be appreciated. We want to be motivated. Everybody wants a pat on his back. So this is the magic of motivation, is such a big emotional push that can really give you a drive or energy to work with more efficient, with more vitality, with more enthusiasm, and it will do, and you can do really wonders. So what happens when somebody is motivated, or what happens if one is not being appreciated for his good work? So there are two distinct theories for this. Friends, today, since we are talking of the motivation, let us talk about motivation in different places, different aspects of our life. When you are in the schools, or you are in the colleges, or you are in the workplace, or maybe we are in any project or program or office, whatever, wherever we are. So how it works? The first and foremost theory of motivation is called the expectancy theory. The expectancy theory means when you are working very hard, you are giving your best, then you always expect that it should be appreciated, it should be recognized, it should be acknowledged. That is called you are expecting something. So maybe your boss, maybe your teacher, or maybe your guide, or maybe your parents, or maybe whatever it is. So be it at home, be it in the school or colleges, be it in the workplace, wherever you are doing your best with full sincerity, with sustained effort, with a given time frame, and you always want that you should be appreciated or acknowledged. That is your expectation, and if that is done, then you feel more energized, you feel more motivated, you feel that yes, my battery charged up, what I am doing, it is appreciated. Then this gives a lot of emotional push, whatever you are doing. So this kind of psychological conditioning is important for you. Any work you do, if you are appreciated, if you say that yes, you are the best person, you are doing you are the best student, or you are the best employee. So this is the way the motivation works. You must have noticed in many of the organizations, many employers, they give the best of the employee award, or in a college they give you the student of the year award for in different fields, maybe in the studies, or maybe in the extracurricular activities, or maybe participating in some national or state level programs. Everywhere you need motivation. That gives you a lot of strength. That emotional strength you will not get anywhere. So that is called the magic of motivation. You can really motivate somebody to do wonders. The second theory, which is also important, that is called the equity theory. The equity theory is also important because when all of us are equal in a particular footing, we are walking out, so you must be treated equally. You should not be given, there should not be any discrimination. What happens normally, we understand in a system that some people are very unduly favored or appreciated, even if they don't work very good in their field. So this is called that you are not your boss or your teacher or your guide, they don't behave as per the norm, as per the motivation norm. They should have treated all of them equally. Everybody is on equal footing. If some people work very hard and put their best and should have been appreciated, when somebody who doesn't get and when it comes to the back door and gets the award, there it pinches you. So this emotional pinch, that shatters you. You must have seen in a But in many award winning functions, you might have noticed that somebody very undeserving person is getting the award. Then you feel that it is not good. You feel shattered and depressed. That is what is called the equity theory, is also very important, because the employer or the guide or the wherever you are walking, that particular place, the boss or the guy, they should treat you equally. So that is also very important in this case. And my dear friends, if you really motivate somebody, they can do really wonders. You can really extract the best effort. If you can give them an inch, you can take them a mile from them. And that is the call of the day. The modern management says that if you want to appreciate somebody, appreciate in front of everyone. If you want to scold somebody, call to your chamber. Nobody is there. You scold as much as you can to correct him. But always see that a person is motivated. It is such a wonderful feeling that you can drag a person to the pond, and you can see that it can drink also. That is what is called the magic of motivation. Thank you.